Guys, here's several pieces that goes together. Here's the great neck, 3.5 inch little vise. Here's another little 3.5 inch vise. It's a number 535, made in Japan. And then here's another little vise. You get that. Get these turnbuckles, this hole saw. You get this Black & Decker 1/2 inch drill. It works. Got your chuck key for it. You get 2 4-way wrenches, and you get all of these corn plates. You've got 16 steel ones. You've got 16 plastic, poly. Get all of that. Not the box there. Get all of that.